Today we're going to take a closer look at this Finding Nemo playmat. This has Mr. Ray on it. It's really cute. It has all of the really cute characters on there from Finding Nemo. So if your kid loves the Nemo movies, it's great. Everything down to these little like sand dollars. There's a little anemone that is used as a pillow or tummy time, which is really cute. We've actually washed this a couple times and it's been fine. That's actually from just me cutting the tag off of it, but we've washed this a couple times because he's spit up on it, and it is still really good quality. So let's take a look at the construction of this. We'll do a little closer look at it. The bases are plastic and everything kind of clips into there. Ray runs through here, and there is a plastic support bar that helps him kind of stay in form. You will need AA batteries, and the really cool thing about this is there's a couple different modes and different jingles, and he really loves it. There's different songs and the lights at the bottom, so that'll keep the little ones entertained. There's a couple different ones, so it's not crazy all the time like this, but really cool, really exciting for your kids. Our little baby boy loves it, and we just put him in here. Here's one that just has bubbles. You can hear just some bubbles, and every now and then it'll light up some little lights. It'll keep him busy. So this one's a little less busy than the last jingle, and you can kind of hear the water. Really cool stuff. But I highly recommend this if you're looking for a playmat. We have a couple different playmats, and this is the one that he laughs and giggles the most when he's hanging out, playing and chilling inside. So